Hello everybody, my name is Anex, and welcome to another video. Now I haven't ever gone over this video, but I want to bring in a new program to people like students and multiple teens. This program is very important. This allows you to access programs that have specific administration privileges that you cannot access on a school PC or in case you download something that's not secure and you need to get out of it. Now, with this being said, I recommend you have a USB. The reason why I recommend you have a USB is because some PCs, aka school PCs, will ban the use of having a .bat file on your desktop or even on your computer. So, I recommend you put this program on USB. Now, with that being said, we're going to run through the basic things. First off, we have README first. Hey there, my name is Anex and I want to give some basic information for use. Because right now you probably don't know what this is, but this is before use, or you might be reading this after it. You can skip past this video and I'll even have an annotation to skip to the actual program. So anyways, the XAccess program will explain inside. But there's also an extra utility in the extra utilities folder. This is important for two-step installations that will allow Anex access to work properly. Just open it up and it'll explain all the steps you need. Alright, so that's all you need to do. There's also my Patreon link in case you guys want to support me for later on. But right now, you guys don't have to worry about that. This program is completely free. So let's start off by opening XAccess.bat. Right, first you're going to be greeted off with this big text box and then a waiting for seconds counter. Then it'll basically run you through some things. Here I have a message. So let me just explain this in my own words. XAccess is a program batch file created by myself to essentially access secured programs without having admin privileges. In order to begin accessing a program, you need to input a directory into the input box below. In order to obtain a directory, just simply drag an icon to the text below and then click enter. The program really should open slowly. So you can either go, C drive and then this, but if you're not very good at working a PC, there's something very simple here. So right here, I have this cheat engine, right? Now if I click on this, my screen will go black for you guys, right? But if I drag this here, it gives me this thing right here. C/users /it60 /desktop best /cheatengine.lnk shortcut. So basically, instead of having to open it with administration purposes, all we have to do is just press enter. It'll pull up this, and any second now, Cheat Engine will open. Right? It's gonna wait a few seconds. That's just to compensate for the actual opening of the application. Right? Success. That's just a demo because they know it's going to work. If it doesn't work, it's fine. Just to make sure, we're going to double check this. We're going to open up a different application this time. Let's go with something easy like Steam. So here, I'm going to drag Steam into here. Now you can do this with an installer or any other kind of application. Now press enter. As you guys can see, Steam will load up. You can do this with any application, even installers, YouTube, if you want to do like something like that. FL Studio, see I have FL Studio here. I can even go back here, put in FL Studio, and it pops up this. Now shortcuts are a little bit weird, but this is really easy to do. You can even look, one of the things you gotta be advised is you might have to rename something to have no spaces because it works out better. For example, let's rename Cheat Engine to just Cheat, right? So now we'll open up the program again. We'll wait for the 5 seconds because that's a good thing to load. Then we'll put in the Cheat Engine and open it. Now Cheat Engine should open. As you guys are seeing, I didn't get a black screen because I wasn't even asked for my administration purposes. So now it's open. You can do this with any installer as well. So even here, as you can see, I have a smart defrag. Now that's not an installer, but it's a very important file on my computer. Something that would necessarily require administration purposes, but it also has spaces in the name, so I have to rechange it. So let's put it to defrag. And sometimes you'll need this. You'll need specific permissions. I'm going to go ahead and press continue because I have permission, but that's okay. If you don't have permissions, you don't have to name it. You should don't name it half the time though, because it's not really that important of a file. So now I can open it. If I press enter, it should open. Hold on. Should open any minute. Alright. Well, it's not opening. It's probably really slow. Actually, I think it is open. Yeah, I think it is. Yeah, it's already open. Alright. So that's XAccess. You can do that with any file. Doesn't matter which one you want to use. Now, let's go over something more. A little bit more. For something like epic games, like Fortnite, for example. Fortnite requires a two-step installer. So first, you have to install the game, install the Epic Games launcher, and then install the game. Also, you have to install the actual, you have to allow changes, and you have to be administrator to allow changes. So let's go ahead and run through something that can easily avoid that. In extra utilities, I have provided you guys with two things: a change user password.bat and an administrate registry editor. So now what you're going to do is you're going to open up change user password. Again, you're going to get prompted by this box, and you're going to see this type in a username of the list. So here's all the users on my computer. So I have administrator, X0, default account, unlock boot, Cydia, guest, WAG utility account, right? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in administrator. And it's going to take type of password for the user. So now, you guys can't see it, but I'm typing. The password's changed. Alright? So now that if I wanted to go to my administrator account and type in the password has been changed. Not only can you do that, but you can also make it where your own account is an administrator. What you're going to do is you're going to open up Anex.bat. Come back over here to the administrate registry, wait for this to load, then just simply drag this in there, do this, and boom, it should open up. Right now it doesn't work for me because I already have the registry open and in there, but you can also just double click this if you're on a specific computer that doesn't allow it, and you can click yes. And say adding information, you can say yes. Boom. Now everything you open shouldn't require a single administration. Even this, for example. Let's go ahead and open up Minecraft. Alright, it did it anyways, but you might have to restart your computer after doing that. So, this is free to use. I hope you guys really do enjoy using this. There's also a text thing if you want to learn how to use it again. But it's pretty self-explanatory, and you can follow the tutorial in the XAccess.bat. Have a good day, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Link will be down in the description, as well as the Patreon where you can support me for more programs just like this one. Bye, guys.